In this video I will show you how to share notes on iPhone. First, open the Notes app and select a note. After opening the note, tap on the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In the panel that appears at the bottom, you can set certain access settings for the people you want to share the note with. By tapping on the list with the Collaborate option, you can choose to send the note as a copy, or leave the Collaborate option to share the note. You can also tap Edit to customize the permissions of the note. Below that is a list of applications that you can use to share your note. If any of the options or applications you want to share your note with are not on this list, then scroll to the end of the list and tap the More icon. This will open a list of apps with two sections. Select the missing application or feature in the Suggestions section. I will select Invite with Link. The link creation screen will open. In the top box, enter an email or add your contact via the plus button on the right. Then click on the Share Link button. The link to your note will be sent to the selected contact. Thank you for watching.